ปะ Okay teacher I have some situation
Sure.
Okay you can read and answer
Okay.
in your opinion
Sure.
บอกด้วยว่า situation
Situation 1
Okay. Situation 1. You and your close classmates at the same age, Sally go to see a movie recommended by someone. Obviously, at the end of the movie, Sally thinks that such a movie is very interesting, but you don't think so. What will you say or do in blank? Sally, I think the movie is pretty cool. You, me, I would ask Sally why she thinks the movie is cool. I would listen to Sally's opinion. If I really believed that the movie was not cool, I would say my opinion to Sally. So for example, I might say that I didn't like this part of the movie. For example, the ending was too quick, the acting was bad here, it wasn't realistic. So I would acknowledge, listen to Sally, and then say my opinion if it was the opposite.
Okay next situation 2
Okay, scenario 2. You are in an English composition class. Your distinguished professor gives you implicit lecture on writing dates in the way of comparison between British and American English. You don't agree with something he teaches. What will you say or do in the blank? Professor, writing January 25, 2015 is more grammatically correct than the other 25th January 2015. Me, I would say, oh okay, I see that the date is like this. I have seen before that you could also write it in this way. Do you think this is correct? So I would put the question back at the teacher in the way that I believe to be correct.
Teacher me I have 5 and 6 situation
Sure. So scenario 5.
Yes
You catch a taxi for an important appointment with a doctor. You find that the very talkative driver drives too slowly and you might not be able to make it in time. What will you say or do in the blank? I would say, how long do you think it is going to take? Because I have to be here at this time. I would be quite clear about that fact that I need to be somewhere. But also remember to be polite also. Scenario 6?
Yes
Scenario 6. Would you like me to read it out? Okay. Your part-time job is a manager assistant. Your kind young boss is calculating something manually. It has a large numbers of calculation. You think it is better to use Microsoft Excel program to deal with such a difficult task. What will you say or do? Okay, your boss, again, what a big deal. I've miscalculated this for the fourth time. You. I would say, well, your calculations are really good. You normally get the calculation correct. So I'd acknowledge that they are very good at maths calculating. I would recommend also in a nice way that, actually, I know a system called Microsoft Excel, and it is perfect with calculations. So if you would want to use that, it could be another option.
Thank you teacher
Okay, thank you.
I have a comment to this question
Sure. Do you want me to read it? Okay. This one here, scenario 9.
Yeah article is essay
Okay. Your article is accepted for the presentation at an international academic conference. At your advice office, you discuss with her to whom you pay high respect for initial preparation. After a long conversation, you want to show your goodwill to do something best for your presentation. What will you say or do in the blank. Okay, so I think you just have to, in my opinion, I would say that this particular aspect I'm not sure about. I had an idea to do A, B or C. What do you think? And I would talk about how you could deliver that. So I would show that maybe I didn't understand completely, but I would have an idea, 3 other options, what to do maybe.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you.